Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. The Ric Flair of crypto in the house. Woo! Bringing you love over the interwebs, guys and gals. Let's jump right into it. Let's not, have all this preamble stuff. It's looking pretty terrible out there. I'm getting pretty darn upset with what's going on with this whole crypto space right now. In my previous video, things were looking good. The whole heat map was looking good. Things were turning green. And, lo and behold, ladies and gentlemen, within a short period of time, things are just going from green to red and from red to worse, guys. And we're seeing right now getting pretty close to a 2% drop in all the crypto space, guys. And I did warn you that we're going to see some volatility, guys. But I'm just getting real tired, real impatient what's going on right now. So you can see that the Dow futures are down, the S&P is down, the Nasdaq is down. So that is what is causing all of this redness right here. So this is just a whole streets are full of redness out there, and I'm just getting tired of it, guys. I must say, I'm getting tired of it. I'm getting tired of Doge just going sideways. Getting tired of Bitcoin going sideways. Something's gonna have to happen sooner or later, guys. And remember, this video is not financial advice. It's just an OG in the house just expressing his opinion, guys. And remember, go down there, smash the likes and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. I know a lot of you are getting tired. A lot of you are feeling pretty nasty in the membrane, and particularly the retail investors, are getting real frustrated. I mean, I'm telling you, I'm getting a little bit frustrated too. And how much longer are we going to have to wait till this big piece of, bucket of poo called crypto markets and crypto space? How long are we going to have to wait for this bucket of poo to start to turn to the upside, guys? Bitcoin right now, as you can see here, is back down to $46,150. What a Debbie Downer. What a big bucket of what the WTF is going on over here right now, guys. And it's just getting tiring, guys. Getting tiring. Let's take a look at the Doge right now. Doge is like at 16.94. So thank goodness that the Doge is like a little bit unscathed here right now, because you can see that Doge is actually kind of neutral right now. If you look at where we are price wise, Doge is actually at neutral. So that's a blessing, guys, because we see that the itty bitty baby Bitcoin has dropped like 1.71%. Look at Ethereum is down 2.14%. So it's just driving me nuts right now. And there we go. Doge just turned red, guys. But Doge is looking actually much healthier and stronger than the Bitcoin and Ethereum in the house right now. So it's really kind of irritating, guys. Let me give this a minty refresh. I must tell you, the OG is getting frustrated. The OG is getting clam baked out here. He's getting frustrated, getting stressed out. And I really wish these markets would just tank, get it over with, put us all out of our misery, or go to the upside, guys. Because we're seeing almost 30 days of this sideways nonsense. And it's getting frustrated, guys. So we're seeing that right now Doge is at 16.9. That's not a bad place to be, considering that the whole market is down 2% right now. That is absolutely not a bad place to be from the Doge perspective. We're still seeing that 53% of all the holders are in the money, 43% are out, and 4% are neutral out there. So, I'm not even going to talk about the Doge sentiment, because we all know the Doge sentiment, the crypto sentiment right now is not looking pretty good. And that's evidented by the whole fear and greed index. And I'm going to give this a refresh. But I can tell you it's probably going to be unchanged from where it was earlier. Yeah, it's unchanged, guys. Debbie Downer in the house. We're still at 24. But remember, this is a contrarian indicator. And, one of the reasons that we're seeing the whole cryptos going down right now is because the broader markets are about to open soon. And they're all looking pretty red in the house, guys. So, some of the catalysts that's driving them, we've got this digital yuan going out. It's a little bit more China FUD going on as well. We got some Fed regulation stuff going on happening. So those are things aren't happening and are not helping us. But Crypto Caesar in the house, he's saying that if you look at the funding, the Bollinger Band squeezing volatility, the next few days could be interesting. Certainly don't want to short this market here. And we're seeing right now that there is a lot of leverage positions taken out on the Biddy right now and Ethereum, and a lot of the altcoins for that matter. And it ain't looking good, guys, right now. And but Crypto Caesar, he's pretty positive that this volatility is going to play itself out, and we should start moving to the upside. And I did tell you in previous videos that expect some crazy volatility going between now and the 8th of January to the 18th of January. We should start to see things start to move in the right direction, guys. So let's hope that happens. If we look at this, been some Bitcoin negative news, but we've also seen this whole Elon Musk Dogecoin scam. It's been promoted by a hacked Twitter account of the Indian Medical Association. So once again, we're seeing that, some nefarious actors have basically breached into the Indian Medical Association's Twitter. They've changed the name, changed the handle, all of that, made it look like, it's Elon's Twitter in-house, and they're talking about this whole giveaway and matching. And so this is just a whole bunch of this is just bad, guys. It's just nefarious stuff. But people fall victim to this, guys. People absolutely fall victim to this stuff. So you guys just got to be careful out there. There's a lot of craziness out there. There's a lot of nefariousness out there. And then there was the USFC superstar Chuck Liddell in the house. And he had this whole Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and also Safe Moon a poll that was going, and it says, I'm curious who will win this, which crypto community is the strongest between these three, and they had Doge, Safe Moon, and the Shiba Inu. So basically it looks like Shiba Inu got like 33,000 votes. Oh geez, I know what's wrong with me. I'm just so damn tired of the whole Dogecoin and the crypto just being read right now, so I'm not happy. So there was like 33,000 votes for Shiba Inu and Safe Moon, and they were almost tied. And Dogecoin only managed to secure about 14.5. So a lot of people were saying that these were like fake votes in the house for Safe Moon and Shiba Inu. So who knows, guys? I'm new to cryptocurrency, and I'm not torn between your great. I'm not torn between your great videos on Dogecoin, but I also feel like I missed out on it. I see that Shiba Inu coin stuff helped me understand why one is better than the other. I'm learning. So basically, the whole, everybody's just saying, yeah, it's not a real poll. People are paying for fake votes and this and that. So who knows? Crypto's crazy. Crypto's a jungle out there, guys. It's a jungle, guys. It's an absolute jungle, guys. I did talk about this earlier. 3 reasons why I see Ethereum going to 5,000, and we have this whole descending wedge. We're about to break the upside. But right now, if you look at Ethereum in the house right now. Ethereum is actually still holding its own. It's at 3,800 right now. I don't know what's going on with the crypto market. It's just cuckoo. And you're seeing that Dogecoin is getting hit a lot right now. So you're seeing right now, one of the reasons that we're not covering a lot of Dogecoin news is because there's really nothing out there, guys. We got this Dogecoin competitor, Shiba Inu, to launch new centralized autonomous DAO. We talked about that. This is old news. We got Dogecoin developers pushing first ever roadmap. That's old news. So, we're absolutely not seeing much in terms of the whole crypto space in terms of Dogecoin news. Another important, interesting piece of news is Airbnb CEO is getting a lot of requests from users for crypto payments. So, Airbnb is like the Priceline Agoda. But basically, if you have a house, you can rent it out to people. But a lot of the people that are using Airbnb, they want to start having crypto payments. So that's going to be huge because Airbnb has more rooms under management than most of the top 5-star hotel chains like Marriott and the Hyatt combined, guys. So they've got a huge market share, guys. And this suggestion was clear, and pricing displays and guest loyalty program. So he got basically 4,000 suggestions, and the top suggestion was crypto payments, clear pricing displays, guest loyalty program, updated cleaning fees, more long-term stays and discount, and better customer service. But one of the whole things, I remember Airbnb is like the Uber of taxis, right? But for hotel rooms and stays, guys. So that's kind of cool. If Airbnb does that is cool. I think they should. So what's this guy's name? Brian Cheesy in the house. Don't be cheesy, guys. Brian, if you're listening to OG in the house, wake up, brother. Get the crypto payments because Agoda and Booking.com and all the other OTAs out there, they're not accepting crypto payments, and this could set you apart from the rest and actually moonboy your stock there, buddy. So wake up, guys. Brian Cheesy, don't cheese people off by not accepting the cryptocurrency out there. So get it, guys. Because, if Airbnb, if Agoda or Booking.com or, I think Expedia does accept crypto payments. But if Priceline started to accept crypto payments, wow, woo, woo, that would definitely be a catalyst, guys. Definitely be a catalyst. We're seeing that breaking investment firm Nuremberg Berman has invested $337 billion. That's $437 billion under management has invested in Bitcoin futures. So that is cool. We're seeing also this from Blockworks that January Bitcoin tightens its correlation with S&P 500. So that is something that you guys have to understand, that the correlation between Bitcoin and S&P 500 is getting pretty closely correlated. So that means if the S&P 500 goes down, we're going to see the Bitcoin, the Bitcoin is going to go down. So hopefully the S&P will make some moves. We also know about the correlation between the Bitcoin and the 10-year bond, guys. So there also is a tight correlation there as well. But yeah, I'm getting frustrated with these whole markets, guys. It's just getting to be a whole Debbie Downer event right now. We're seeing this year's CES event will feature notable crypto figures presenting alongside with tech and NFT. Hey, I heard that Bruce Lee's family is launching some Bruce Lee memorabilia NFTs. So I'm a big Bruce Lee fan in the house. So I'm going to jump in on it. I like the Bruce in the house, guys. So guys and gals, so things are not looking pretty good right now for overall the whole markets, guys. We're still seeing that the monthly returns are still up, guys. Let's take a look at the liquidation, guys. Let's take a look at liquidations. Let's see who's got liquidated. Let's see who's got wrecked in the house. So let's take a look at the 24-hour period right now. And we're seeing right now that $166 million worth of people got wrecked, leading by Bitcoin, 70 million, guys. Wow. Ethereum, Phantom. See, when coins become popular, people try to short it or long it, and they get wrecked. And we're seeing Atom as well, Near, Luna, Link, CRV, and Dot. So, guys, whenever a coin's popular, people start shorting it. And we're seeing right now that, we're seeing more people taking leverage long positions on crypto right now. So I think we're seeing a little bit of manipulation going on right now. And don't forget, we got the Friday CME contracts that are going to be expiring. Much of the same thing. The leverage longs, the leverage longs and leverage shorts, the leverage traders are wrecking it for all of us out there. Thank you. Stop leverage trading. Just stop it. It's just making the water muddy right now. And we're seeing that the Shiba Weeby is also going down as well because we had this bit of a dumpski-wumpskis. And we're seeing that Shiba Weeby is at 32.68, guys, and we're still well below the 33 level that we were previously. And we kind of broke down from that on the 3rd of January, being staying underwater under this support line for some time. I mean, it was support, right, guys, and now it's a resistance. So, we're seeing that Shiba Weeby is kind of forming a huge descending triangle again, and it's kind of trending down in this general direction, guys. So hopefully that we will break up from this sometime soon, because otherwise we could see Shiba Weeby going down. And we're seeing kind of the same kind of behavior as well for Dogecoin as well. But it's just getting tiring. I mean, I must admit, I'm getting really tired, guys. I really want this thing just to, it's over, break down, it's out of there, confirm, we're done as a donut, or break to the upside, because we're getting a lot of contrary indicators. We're getting a lot of TA, we got a liquid supply, we got all of this kind of positive news from that perspective, but we're just not seeing any movement. We're just seeing a lot of sideways action, and it's getting really, it's getting boring, guys. All this sideways action is getting boring. Let's take a look at Metis Dow. It's still up 4.7%. So Metis Dow is cooking, guys. I love Metis Dow. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on a weekly right now. Biddy is at 46,264. It had gone down as as low as 46.1, and there was some chance of it breaking down below 46. So luckily, it stayed above there. So that's pretty good news in the house. And also on the daily, we're seeing that's being supported by the $46,000 level. So hopefully that will hold throughout the night. But it really depends on how the broader markets are going to fare up, guys. We're seeing that Ethereum is at 3,800. It was a little bit higher earlier today. Let me just make this chart a little bit bigger so we can see it. So it was a little bit higher today. Ethereum did hit us a high of 38.82, so we're about $82 off that now. So we've come down just a tad, guys. I mean, it did suddenly drop down, and we did pick up again. So there's a little bit of a spike that happened. I saw that just before I started shooting the video. We're still seeing Phantom is still doing okay. We're seeing a little bit of profit taken right now on Phantom. This dip has also been stimulated by that little bit of a quick dip that we had as well. But we're only down right now about 0.62% on the 4-hour. But overall, we are way up. We are way up on the whole daily, guys. So let's take a look at that on the daily. Let's see how's that faring on the daily. So if we look at the daily, we're still looking pretty good on the daily chart. On the daily chart, we're still up about 7.83%. So that is okay on the daily chart. We got some really good support around the 2.80 level right now. And our next support line is it's light support. For Phantom is around about 260, and then we got some also major support around about 24. So Phantom is looking very good from my perspective. I'm loving Phantom. I mean, I bought into it last week. Thank you, Dragon, and I'm up like 39% right now on that one. So here we are with Solana again. It's just riding this whole support resistance as flipping support resistance, flipping support resistance. So it's getting pretty boring in the house, guys. So let's take a look at the total markets right now. Let me give this a minty refresh. Let's see what's going on here. So yeah, we're at 2.29 trillion and we're at 63.09 billion. It's pretty much unchanged from where we have been. We've just been kind of skirting this whole 2.28 to 2.3233 trillion market cap. It's just been going sideways. We still see the Bitcoin dominance dropping though, so that is good news in the house. So let's take a look at the crypto coins in the house, and then we'll let you guys get out of here. So we're seeing that right now that Bitcoin is at 46,418. So it's picking itself back up again. We're seeing Ethereum is at 3,800, and that's down 0.75%. Don't panic out there. And we're seeing BNB is also down as well, just over 0.5% at 513. We're seeing Solana as well down 1.1%, 169. We're seeing ADA is also down 1.34. I'm still convinced that we're going to see ADA drop to $1, guys. I'm still convinced of that. We're seeing the DOT is still up. Thank goodness DOT is still in the positive territory. We're seeing Luna is down as well, 3.79. We're seeing Avalanche is down as well, $105, and that's down 1.27. We're seeing that Doge actually just came back. Doge just popped up, guys, so that's pretty good. So Doge is being, as I said, we're pretty resilient from that perspective. And CBB is down 1% at 33, guys. Matic is down as well at 2.35%. That's $2.41. So Uni's up, guys. Linky Winky's up. So we really need that because I aped into Link about 60 days ago, and it's not been doing too good. So I must admit that I'm hoping that it does something. Algorand's okay, guys, and Atom has been going crazy right now. But Atom is just shedding a little bit of profits, guys. So I wouldn't worry too much about it. Look at Phantom, 6.82% in the house. I love it. So Phantom is looking pretty good, guys. So with that being said, this is just a quick video, guys. Woo! The Ric Flair in the house. The OG Ric Flair. Woo! I love it, guys. So don't forget to go and follow me on my Twitter, guys. And yeah, it's driving me nuts, guys. It absolutely is driving me nuts the way these crypto markets just going sideways. We can't make head or tail if we're going up or going down. And it's getting frustrating. But Doge is holding its own. I mean, Doge ain't making any moves. It's like kind of acting like a stable coin right now. So we'll have to wait and see, guys. All we can do is wait and see. Don't panic, guys. I personally don't believe that we're done. I still think we're going to see $100,000 coming in for Bitcoin in the spring. I believe it. I still think we could see 35, 50 cents coming in for Doge Woji. We don't forget we got the Ethereum 2.0 bridge coming Q2. So guys, don't go nuts. Don't panic, guys. I'm not selling anything. This is not financial advice. I'm holding. I have been dollar cost averaging as well. So that's what I'm doing, guys. That's absolutely what I'm doing. Don't forget to go down and check out my links. Become a Patreon member. Buy the channel coffee. Do it. Don't forget to check out the Wi-Fi Wifey's channel. Do it. And don't forget to check out the merch, guys. So I just want to say God bless each and every one of you out there. Don't overly panic, guys. Don't overly panic. You can see the things are actually coming back up again a little bit on the heat map. So God bless you. I'll see you in the next one, guys. It's a great time to be alive. I love it. You love it. I'll see you tomorrow morning, Vietnam time, guys. And hopefully we have a nice day here in Vietnam. It's not going to be raining here in Hue, Vietnam. Guys, okay, I love you. God bless you. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for the support. Woo!